Hi guys, welcome to LOOkX YouTube channel. In this makeup tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the perfect party makeup look. So to start this look, I'm going to be using the Smart 4-in-1 Protection Primer. This is an amazing primer to hydrate your skin. Not only that, but it protects your skin from the sun, also protects your skin from any makeup sitting in fine lines or open pores. So really massage this in nicely. It'll also hydrate your skin. After that, I'm using the Silky Touch foundation with the foundation brush. This is a really gorgeous foundation, medium to full coverage, and it gives you that nice dewy finish for a healthy glow. Underneath my eyes, I'm using the concealer. Now this is a great formula because it's really nice and soft and creamy, so it doesn't have to drag your eyes as you're blending it in. It blends in seamlessly. I'm actually highlighting certain sections of my face, as you can see, and this will really help lighten and brighten the area. Now to set all of that in place so it doesn't go anywhere, I'm going to be using the Natural Velvet Foundation Powder. Now this particular powder can be used on its own as a foundation to give you coverage, or you can set your concealer and foundation in place with this, and it also gets rid of any unwanted shine with a nice velvet finish. Now for my eyebrows, they need a little bit of work. So first of all, I'm brushing through the brow hairs with one side of the pencil, which is actually a wand to brush through your brows and make them nice and neat. And the other side is a creamy pencil. I'm using this dark brown tone to tie in with my hair colour. And as you can see, it glides on really well, and it's easy to use. And that's exactly what you want in an eyebrow pencil. Once your eyebrows are complete, we're moving on to eyes. So, to start my eye makeup look, I'm using creamy eyeshadow in colour Desert. This is also an eyeshadow primer, so it's going to stop any eyeshadows from creasing on your lids, and it's going to be stay proof, smudge proof and waterproof. So the first eyeshadow I'm using is number 25 Savannah Sand. This is a really gorgeous soft pearl tone, and it's going to go all over your lid to start the eye makeup look. Once you've complete that across the lid, now go for 28 Rainforest Wood, this nice chocolate brown with a golden undertone. All the shadows really blend well together. As you can see, it's effortless, and I'm just using that darker shade on the outside of my eye to give definition and dimension to this eye makeup look. After that, I'm using one of my favourite colours from the collection, 139 Forest Pearl. This is a gorgeous emerald green colour, and it suits all of this colours so well on the eyes. It's just going to blend in and really suit that party look that you're going for. I'm just adding this to the centre of the eye and layering it on top of the chocolate brown tone to give it a little bit more dimension and the eye makeup to pop. In the inner corner, I'm going to be using 906 Naked Nude. Now, Naked Nude Matte is a matte colour, and this particular tone is going to go in the inner corner of the eyes and really brighten up the look. After that, I'm going to be using the loose eyeshadow Moon Shimmer Gold Brown, and I'm using that in the inner corner. You can even use that to highlight your skin and your body for that party look. Underneath my eyes, I'm just going back to the concealer just to lighten and brighten and also tidy up just in case any eyeshadow has fallen down. I'm blending that in with the foundation brush, and as you can see, it blends in and brightens the area really nicely. So across my lower lash line, I'm using 134 Taupe Pearl just to warm up the look and keep within that smoky vibe. After that, I'm layering number 27 Urban Moss Pearl, and again that's going to warm this eye makeup look and tie in with the heavier colours on the top lid. One of my favourite products is this brand new quick long lasting liquid eyeliner, and it certainly is quick. It's smudge proof, it's waterproof, and so easy to use because of the felt tip pen section on the end that's nice and sharp, so you can get lots of precision for this, so it's easy use. I'm using this across my lash line, and I'm giving myself a thin wing just so it doesn't draw any attention away from my lovely eyeshadow. Now into my waterline, I'm going to be using Miracle Nude number 18 eyeliner. This is a creamy texture, it's a waterproof eyeliner, so no watery eyes, you don't have to worry about anything going anywhere. On my lashes, I'm going to be using Mascara Boost Plus. This is a formula that's enriched with vitamins, and it's really going to help nourish your lashes. Not only that, but I haven't even had to curl my lashes for this product because it does the work for you. It lifts, it curls, it boosts, and it really helps lengthen and thicken your lashes, as you can see in this tutorial. After that, I'm using the Powder Bronzer Duo Blush. The bronzer on one side and blush on the other, and I'm actually going to be using the Kabuki brush just over the top of this to really help buff and blend it in so you get that soft blended finish. Now for my lips, I'm using the Velvet Lip Liner. It really is that beautiful velvet texture, easy to use, glides over your lips. Even if you have dry lips, this will help them feel nice and soft. Over the top of that, I'm using 104 Wild Safari Matte. This is the most amazing, vibrant coral colour that comes in a matte texture, so it's going to help your lips look nice and plump for the evening. Now, if you do want to intensify this look, we do recommend that you check out number 86, Woman in Red Matte. That's an amazing, vibrant red lipstick that's really going to help take your look to the next level if you wanted that wow factor. So here's my finished look, ready for the party season and ready for the evening. So I hope you'd enjoyed watching, and keep looking out for our other videos coming up. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.